In this short and basic video today, I will show you how to fix multiple hashtag problem in Microsoft Excel. So guys, once you type any value and you will see hash multiple. So to resolve this problem, just you need to fix size for this cell. So easy and quick way, double click on this line and this problem will be resolved. Once you change size, so you will not see data and you will see this step. So just adjust the size for this column, change the width for this column like this, and quick way, double click on this line. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.